Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. Okay, and so we are done with chords, and I want us to play some songs, okay, using our chords that we've learned so far. All right, so today I'm going to teach you some few songs, okay, about 2 or 3. So the first song I want us to take, and we will play in the key of C, okay. As time goes on, we'll get to C sharp and other keys. So the first song is Ancients of Days. Okay, so the chord progression, we did chord progression already. The chord progression is a 1, and this lesson is actually for beginners. Okay, it's actually for beginners. The chord progression is a 1, okay, 4, 1, 5 progression. That's it. The ancients. Okay, and I'll be using inversions as well. Okay, so ancients of days, as old as you were, as old as you were, you will never change. Of days, as old as you were, as old as you were, you will never change. This is already an inversion, okay. The second song, so that's very simple. So it's just a 1, 4, 1, 5 chord progression back to 1. Okay, so that's the simple song. You can apply it using your chords. So the second song I want us to look at is We Just Want to Say Baba. Okay, so the chord progression is a 1, 4, 5, 3, 6, yes, come back to 4, then 5, back to 1. Okay, so it's we just want to say Baba oh she, we just want to say Baba back to 1. Oh shit, for the things you gave to me, I've got to say thank you. For the joy you gave to me, I've got to say thank you. We just want to say Baba. Just wanna say Baba oh she. Inversion. We just wanna say inversion Baba oh she. This is just for beginners, please. Okay, for beginners, because if you are playing, I'll do lessons on these very songs in an advanced way for those who want it. Okay, so that's very simple, guys. Just a 1, 4, 5, 3, 6. Very simple. Okay, and so guys, this is how you should play your songs when you are still starting on the piano. Okay, just using your left, just pressing just one note with your left. Okay, and as time goes on, you play in an advanced way. Okay, you play some broken chords with your left. Okay, like ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you were. a bit advanced. So as time goes on, but for the moment, just stick with what I just gave you, okay? And so thank you guys. So I can see that this could be maybe our last lesson on how to play the piano. Then as time goes on, I will play a series of songs, okay, that as tutorials, yeah, and many other things that will come up, okay, as lessons as well. But on how to play the piano series, if you work with what I've given you so far intensely, you get to play the piano, okay, because you just need an introduction to piano and you work on your own, okay guys. And so God bless you, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel.